Hi everyone,
hey.
Welcome to another video.
It's going to be a fun one.
It is going to be so much fun. It's the one activity, I'm being excited about loads of activities, but I'm super excited about this. We are doing the real life Mario Kart. So we are super excited. We booked a 2-hour tour with a company called JapanKart. We booked it direct through them and we found, I think through Klook, didn't we? But then it turned out to be cheaper booking it direct with them. So yeah, we're really excited. Like I said, we're doing a 2-hour tour, which is the longest one that you can do. Some of the highlights that we're going to do, well, do you want to say some of them?
Oh, I can't remember.
Oh, okay. Well, Shibuya Scramble Crossing. That's one of them.
I know we do Tokyo Tower, which it's night time, so we booked it for 8 o'clock at night so that we could see everything all sort of lit up, all the hustle and bustle going on at night, so rather than the daytime one.
We're doing Imperial Palace, Miyashita Park, Roppongi, Tokyo Tower, Tokyo Station, so loads of different stops.
Yeah, there's quite a few.
We've seen a couple going around Japan already and it looks super, super fun. So we will give you a full breakdown of it when we can. I don't know if we'll stop so that we can film, but we've got the GoPro so we can take some footage of it as well. Yeah. And we've got a new chest mount. Oh.
Hopefully we'll be able to use it all and do everything.
Yeah,
so we're
exactly.
going to see.
Hopefully they'll be okay with us filming as well, because we don't know that, do we? But what we'll do is we'll also say here, don't forget to like the video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and we'll show you when we get to the station.
Also, can you guess what we're going to dress up as? Because you can put onesies on. So
yeah, exactly.
If you've got any guesses before we get there?
Ultraman. I don't think they're licensed, are they? So I think it's like Fultraman, for fake Ultraman.
So yeah,
and the cost. So like I said, we booked it direct. It cost 18,000 yen per person, and you do need to make sure, if you're from the UK especially, that you have your international driver's permit, which you can get from the post office. So you need that with you, your passport and your driving license. Yeah. 18,000 yen, about £90 a person.
Can't wait, let's go.
Let's go. So where we go to do it, it's at their Kanda branch. They have got multiple branches depending on which tour you're doing. And we got off, well, we went on the Shinjuku line and we got off at, oh God, Iwamoto Show station.
That's definitely not how you say that.
No, definitely not. So yeah, really easy to get to, and then it's only like a less than a 10-minute walk from there. So we're just going around the corner now, and we can actually see some people that have just finished in front of us. And it looks so much
Stitch
fun.
Outfit.
I know, Lilo and Stitch. Maybe don't go for the Stitch one because someone's just been in it. We don't know how many people do it at the same time as well. So let's wait and see. So we're all checked in, and here's some of the outfits that you can have. Oh, Piglet and Tigger. Just all one size. Already, I'm an alien, and Kieran is Psyduck.
Where's the head?
Oh my god. Quality outfits.
I think is there 7 of us on ours?
I think so, yeah. Something like that.
There's another group with 10, I think, isn't there?
Something like that, yeah. Big group.
Let's start now.
Here's the go-kart. Getting all ready now, just had a safety demonstration.
Coming in from the left side of the cart, put your left foot first, and then right foot over. If you're going to be coming in from the right side, right foot first, left foot over. So left side, left foot first, grab the steering wheel, right foot over, sit down, very easy. Make sure you can reach both pedals, okay? So if you cannot reach both pedals, you can adjust your seat back and forth. There's a lever underneath your seat on the lower right side. Pull it, hold it to the right. Again, grab the steering wheel, pull yourself forward until you can reach both pedals, okay? After that, your seat belts. Please don't forget your seat belts. We don't want you flying out the cart tonight. Maybe not tonight, all right? So pull it, not too tight, not too loose, because you need to check your surroundings left and right when you make turns. After that, your mirrors, make sure you can see cars incoming from behind. All right, next is our pedals. So, pedals, left foot is for brake, right foot is for gas. Okay, very easy. Left foot brake, right foot gas. So you're not used to driving with both of your feet, so you're gonna get used to it in like a couple of minutes. So left foot brake, right foot gas. So there's one thing I don't want you to do is stepping on both pedals while driving. Okay, so it sounds really funny, but we have a lot of customers who keeps on stepping on both pedals and they snap the engine up and their car stopped working. So if you're stepping on the brakes, let go of the gas. If you're stepping on the gas, let go off the brakes. Okay, the right side of the steering wheel, we have your ignition button right here. On some carts, it has a yellow tape. On some, it has a white tape or a green one, but it's all the same. So press the switch right here and step on the gas pedal. When the engine turns on, just keep on revving it until she's alive, and then you're good to go, just like this. Okay? Keep on stepping on the gas pedal. Alright, when she's alive, you can let go of both pedals. On the flat surface, it's not supposed to go anywhere.
We're on our way to our go-karts. There were a lot of instructions.
Yeah, there was, but the guy was really
really
good
friendly.
and really clear.
Yeah, exactly. I'm sure that there'll be some mistakes made because there were a lot, but hopefully we can just enjoy ourselves. That's the main thing. I'm a little bit nervous now.
I think it'll be really good fun. Once you get going after a few minutes, I'm sure it'll be absolutely fine.
The go-karts look really cool, don't they?
Yeah, they've got like neon lights underneath.
Exactly. You can bring your backpack with you, but you cannot take it on the go-kart. There's a lead car that will be in front of you, so they'll keep it in the car for you. Yeah. So when we go on the actual go-kart, it'll be on the GoPro footage in my little
I've got my phone attached to one as well.
They had these that you could use for free as well, which I thought was really good. And like Kieran said, you can just attach your phone on like that.
Yeah.
So we'll try and do a combination of footage, won't we?
Yeah, we'll see how it turns out, I guess.
Yeah, let's wait and see. Exciting! Baby, go! Woo! I don't know if you can hear me, but that's Kieran in front. It is so much fun, and they do go quite fast. We're at 42 kilometers an hour, 43, 44, 43. Ah!
There's an alien!
Oh wow, this is so cool! Going downhill now, get some speed! Speed and power! There's Psyduck! We're probably not meant to be doing this at all. So I think we're nearly at Shibuya crossing now as well. So let's see. I don't know if we've done any stops, and I don't know if we actually stop off halfway during the tour as well, but we'll wait and see. I wonder if you know how they live in Tokyo. If you've seen it, then you mean it, and you know you have to go. Fast and Furious! Fast and Furious! Kieran likes being in front. Oh, I've lost my hood! I've been cut off from them. I got scared. Kieran abandoned me. He absolutely abandoned me. I'm going first next time. Let's go! Let's go! Pizza mia, Mario! Do you think it would be frowned upon if we had banana skins that we could throw like in the game? It's us, Kieran and Ollie! So we've made it to Shibuya Crossing, just up here I think. But it is busy. Trying to make sure that we don't box anyone in. Here we go. It's taken quite a while to get here, I think because of the traffic. Oh, he's wanting us to go left. So we did just do Shibuya Crossing, but the GoPro messed up and we didn't film it. But anyway, yeah, this activity is really good fun in Japan. You should definitely do it. Definitely recommend it. And the guy stopped off and took some photos for us and some video footage, so we'll try and insert that into the video if we can. We recovered it. We're back at Shibuya Crossing. Yeah! Woo! Oh my God, it's enormous. Yep, you've definitely got to do this tour. Like, I'm sure they're all very similar, but JapanKart have been really good and their go-karts seem really new as well. Definitely recommend this. Well, that was cool. We just got it up to 70 kilometers an hour. Here comes Kieran. That was a fast bit, wasn't it? 73 kilometers an hour, mine said. Tokyo Tower. so you can't really see us that well. No, don't turn that on. So we've just stopped and had a little break in front of Tokyo Tower, and we've come off, gotten some photos so we can insert them in here as well.
Yeah, and there's a toilet break.
Oh, toilet break, which Kieran was very grateful for. So yeah, no, really, really good so far.
It's been really fun, and you actually go really fast.
Yeah, absolutely. So we don't know what the footage, at this point, we don't know what the footage is going to be like.
No.
So hopefully it's been good. We'll know when we've been editing it.
But we're having a really good time, so
yeah.
Hope you enjoy, follow along, and I don't know where we're going next, but
no, not a clue.
we'll see.
Psyduck and Alien out.
Psyduck, ooh, Psyduck.
Right, so I think that we're coming to an end now. I think that we're going to be heading back to the Canada branch. It's been such a good tour. We'll do a recap at the end of it. I definitely recommend it. So that's Tokyo Station just behind Kieran. Looks massive. You probably can't see it too well. So we're actually still doing some stops, aren't we? Psyduck! There's Psyduck! Who's that Pokemon? It's Pikachu! Well, that brings an end to an amazing experience.
So
oh my
good.
God, so good. Definitely the highlight of the trip so far, I think.
It was really, really fun.
Yep, so we ended it at about 10:30. So it was about 2.5 hours in total. So they definitely made up for the time that you lost, like getting in your outfit, doing the safety briefing and everything like that as well. So really, really good. We had a group of 7 people. Didn't we?
And there was one that was in at the same time, and there was 10 of them, I think there was.
Yeah, so I'm glad that we was in the smaller group.
Yeah.
And it definitely, you know, like I said, it definitely all worked just smoothly as well. So, like, I was a bit apprehensive, like, oh, what if you get cut up or anything like that? What if you get, like, left behind at a traffic light? But it all just worked, didn't it?
Yeah, you just sort of catch up, and it's really easy, and they slow down, and they sort of wait for you, and
yeah.
It was just so much fun, and everyone just seemed to be having a really good time.
Yeah,
and
They took loads of photos for us, didn't they? Which we've got. So we'll hopefully we can either put some in now, or
we already will have put some stuff in, because they were taking videos and everything.
Yeah,
so
it was great.
It was really good fun. 100% recommend. If you've not booked it, go and book one.
Yeah.
Just make sure you've got all your documentations that you need. Otherwise, you can't do it.
So if you're from the UK or anywhere in Europe, I think you need the international driving permit, as well as your local driving license as well. We took our passports. They didn't look at them, did they? But we were just like, well, we'll just take them just in case. And you have to keep them with you in case the police, for some reason, pulled you as a group over, and then you'd have to show it to them as well.
It was really good, though. We had such a good time. We got to go through Shibuya crossing twice, which I didn't think we would. I thought we would just sort of scoot past it, but that was really good. And obviously we saw Tokyo Tower, Tokyo Station. And we did go past the palace and some other bits and bobs.
But it was really dark, wasn't it? So you couldn't really see much of that. I'm glad that we did it at night time as well. I think it was definitely better all being lit up in Tokyo, so I would definitely recommend that.
And the streets got quiet as well, sort of as the night went on. They got a bit quieter, so I would say if you're apprehensive, that's probably better for you to do it later, because the traffic won't be as much as like it would be in the daytime.
Yep, definitely.
But we both said that the 2-hour one was really good.
Yeah, it definitely flew by. I think if you just did an hour, it wouldn't be enough, or certainly not for us. Maybe if you're like really nervous about it, maybe do the hour, but genuinely nothing to be nervous about.
They did a 90-minute one as well, didn't they?
Yeah.
So I would say that one at a minimum, but 2 hours was just seemed like a really good amount of time. If you can spare it,
then exactly.
Definitely recommend.
So we hope that you've enjoyed this video. We have no idea how this footage is going to look, so hopefully it's turned out all right. We'll end the video here, so don't forget to like the video, comment down below, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.